my channel. I'm about to get my hair done. As y'all can see, I'm at the shop right now with my girlfriend. Y'all know my girlfriend is my loctician if you've been watching me. But anyway, guys, I'm getting my hair done today. I'm going on vacation tomorrow. I'm going back home to Philadelphia. We live in Chicago, but I'm from Philadelphia. And I'm going home to see my family for the first time in 4 years, so I needed my hair done. I was gonna do some faux locks. I'll insert a picture, a video actually, of me attempting to do my goddess locks. They actually came out really good. I just was really over it. So I had to cop out and get a retwist instead. So I figured I was gonna record the goddess locks for y'all, which I'm still gonna do in the future. I'm just gonna probably do it going into the spring. My scalp is not so exposed and hurting, and I don't feel like getting sick. So today I'm just gonna get a retwist for vacation. And since I'm going on vacation with my loctician, I don't have to worry about my hair getting old or getting messed up, because if anything goes wrong, she's gonna be with me to fix it. Y'all, I forgot to record her washing my hair, but she's about to put my conditioner in. What a wonderful time.
And all my niggas outside, we been hanging outside.
watching this video, guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Oh yeah, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe here.